Don't upload any copyrighted music, movies, or any clip on YouTube without permission. You get my point? That is, if you do that, if you use anybody's video or anybody's clip or anything, it's like some of it that reacts to people's video, some of those videos you react to are copyrighted. Some of the music you use are copyrighted, and they will flag you. YouTube will flag you. If you love your channel, take note of that. Alright guys, it's Mr. Creating Update. You get my point. So in today's video, we want to be talking about the do's and the don'ts on YouTube. So if it's something you like to watch, please make sure you hit the like button. And if you love tips like this on YouTube, subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing update like this. You get my point? So we will start with the don'ts. Now, don't upload any copyrighted music or movies or clips on YouTube without permission. Don't even try that because they will flag you. YouTube will flag you. Alright, so number 2 is don't use misleading titles or thumbnail. Guys, that is clickbait. YouTube hates it. YouTube does not like clickbait. So if you do that, YouTube will flag you. Let me explain. Now, if you use a title that does not correspond with the video, that is clickbait. You know, once you bring in this particular title, people will click and watch. You get my point? YouTube will flag you. Or you know, this particular thumbnail you put in here, people will see it and it's attractive. People will want to click and watch because of that thumbnail. But the video is a different thing. Guys, YouTube will flag you and they can even bring down your channel. So please be guided, be safe. Now, number 3 is don't buy subscribers, views, or likes. Please grow organically. Forget about people that say they can give you 1K subscriber, then you pay them some money. Please don't even do that. YouTube themselves, they know real human being and they know robots. So you can go and give people money now, they will go and send robot to you. YouTube, they know them. They will flag your videos. They will flag your channel. Don't do that. Now, number 4 is don't spam comment or repeatedly asking people to subscribe. Now, if you post a video and you know your video is very good, people are watching. Even people are not really watching much, but few that are watching, if they are interested in that video, they will subscribe to your channel. So if at all you want to ask them to subscribe, you just do it moderately. It's not something you will be writing all over the comment section, subscribe every time. Anytime you upload video, you put it there, subscribe. You get my point? If you just do it, you can be doing just once, not every time, not like 2-5 comment is subscribe, or in the video, you ask to subscribe at every interval. No, it's not good. YouTube will flag you. That is spamming. You get my point? Now, number 5, don't copy other creators' content. Create original content. Somebody will say, why would you say that? Now, let me explain so that you will not misquote me. Now, if you see a content of your niche, you can as well create that same content. But the mistake people do is that they go and carry the person's video to upload on their own channel. You get my point? It's just like you trying to bring in someone's video and it is copyrighted already. Now, even if this one is not copyrighted, even if it is a free video that one can use, please be careful. Don't use. YouTube does not really like it. They want you to be original. Before you started this YouTube journey, you know you are a creator, so you have to create it by yourself. Even if you are trying to emulate somebody, you are trying to make the same video the other person made, let your own be a little different from that person's own. You get my point? So that the originality will come out 100%. You get my point? Now, number 6 is don't violate YouTube policies by posting harmful, deceptive, or inappropriate content. I talked in my last video that if you want to be posting videos like this, maybe the type of content you are doing is harmful or it's deceptive or it's inappropriate. Now, when you want to upload that video, make sure you go and check all those things. If you watch that last video, you will see where you will have to check on all those things to let them know this particular video, this is what it's all about. They will not flag you. But to be on the safe side, I will tell you to avoid those kind of videos so that YouTube will not flag your channel. You get my point? Now, number 6 is don't ignore your audience feedback. Most of us, we feel too big to reply to comments. Yes, I'm not talking about those bigger content creators. I'm talking about you that is trying to grow. You are trying to grow your channel. Somebody just commented on your video. You cannot even say thank you. You cannot even try to relate with what the person is saying. Most times I know they do come with negative comments, but you as a creator and you are trying to grow, you need to reply them with positive comments so that YouTube will not flag you. You get my point? So now we are done with the don't. Oh yeah, now let's head over to the do's. What you should do on YouTube. Number 1 is choose a clear niche so viewers would know what your channel is all about. Now let me explain. Today you'll be posting about cars. Understand? Tomorrow you'll be posting comedy. Next tomorrow you'll be posting finance. Guys, you are confused now. You have to be precise. You need to stick to one niche. Now, I know some people do mix niches. They can just use like 2 niche to run a YouTube channel. If you want to use 2, make sure you are known for that 2. Don't just try to compromise anything, because if you should compromise it, it should be on you. Your channel will still remain like that. Before the algorithm will be able to understand what your channel is all about, it will take up to 1 year. You get? Or 2 years. So if you are sticking to 2 or 1 niche, please make sure you stick to it. Now, number 2 is upload consistently. For example, once or twice a week. I talked about this too in my last video. So you can just click and watch. There are a lot of things there in that last video you can click and watch. Number 3 is create high quality videos with clear audio and good lighting. Use these video editing apps like CapCut. You can use them to improve on your audio and the video as well. You get my point? So try your best. Just do your best. Now, number 4 is write compelling titles and thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Now, number 5 is optimize your videos with relevant keywords, tags, and description. You get my point? So some people just upload video without description, without tags. How do you want YouTube algorithm to understand what your video is saying? You get? So make sure you write description. Make sure you add relevant tags and relevant keywords. You get my point? Those are the things that will help you boost your channel. You might not see changes immediately, but consistent doing what I'm telling you, you will be able to, at some point, it will hit. The algorithm will pick you. You get my point? It is not magic. It's something you grow gradually. You get my point? Now, number 6 is engage with your audience by replying to comments and asking for feedback. I've talked about this. Now, number 7, follow YouTube community guidelines and copyright rules. There are rules on copyright. There are a lot of rules on YouTube. You need to make sure you know before you try using anybody's content. This one still boils down to the one I said you should not use people's content. So follow the rules so that you will not have issue on your channel. Now, number 8 is check your analytics to learn which video perform best. You get my point? Now, like I mentioned in the other video I posted, that you should be checking on your analytics. Go to YouTube Studio, you will do that. In fact, I will paste the link of the last video I made because I explained everything there practically. So you will click on the link and watch. So you'll be able to learn everything about you starting a YouTube channel. You get my point? And lastly, see, if you are not patient enough, you won't be able to make it on YouTube. YouTube requires patience. You have to be patient. Now, be patient and keep improving. Growth often takes time. Now, before you grow, it takes time. Like now, just assuming a baby just born today, you don't expect that baby to start walking tomorrow. It takes time, gradually till you get there. So guys, I don't want to say much on this. I believe this will be helpful. So like and share and comment. Say what you think about this video in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and see you in our next video.